Deuxième explosion. Deuxième explosion, Madonna. Whoa, 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 close the window, close the window. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Huge, huge.
That was a huge one.
This was huge one. Oh, third explosion. Was une autre explosion. Il va en train d'arriver maintenant la vague de... Wow! Wow! Whoa!
10 minutes.
10 minutes. A huge, huge explosion.
Wow.
A third one. A third one.
Okay, that sounds like...
That's it's not normal. Listen, we have to stop the commissioner
for sure.
in case because we are still on time. Still on time. So contact the ambassador if you have any. Ask him if it's
that looks
no, without
fucking like a
asking.
bomb.
It looks to have official information.
But it looks like huge bombs. I mean, it's like what the
Yeah, looks like
Air
a-
Force drops and
Oh,
shit,
yeah.
you know? It's like, get rid of the tanks in downtown, so blow up downtown.
But you have seen the blast?
Yeah, it was like,
Because the first
on
one,
here and it came like, around the thing.
for me it was the first. I saw the
Okay.
second one, I just saw
Because
the
otherwise
smoke
the commissioner will
going up like this.
We want to avoid.